Feeling off lately, struggling with energy, mood, or focus? It might not just be life, it could be the imbalance of your hormones. Let's talk about a daily routine and how it can help bring balance. Hey everyone, it's Michelle. I'm one of the medical providers in our Houma location. Start with sunlight. Getting 10 minutes of natural light in the morning helps regulate your body's natural clock, improving sleep and energy levels. Hormone diet is key. Focus on protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep your blood sugar and hormones stable. Exercise doesn't just burn calories, it reduces stress and improves the feel-good endorphins. Even 20 minutes a day can make a difference. Support your body with the right nutrients. Vitamin D, magnesium, and omega-3s can all help with hormone balance. Stress wreaks havoc on your hormones. Try journaling, meditation, or a short walk to calm your mind. And if you're still not feeling your best, Rejuvime Medical is here to help. From personalized hormone optimization therapies to expert advice, we've got your back. It's time to balance your hormones and your life. Ready to get started? Book a consultation today.